Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Discord is current and you're signed in. This prevents auth issues. Once done, fully close the app. Don't just background it, because cached processes often block fresh message loads. Then restart on the same network to preserve settings. If you're on mobile, toggle airplane mode for a quick network reset. On desktop, restart your router if others also see slowness. These rapid steps remove transient glitches and set up the app for a clean refresh. Next, clear the cache because stale files often prevent messages from rendering. You can use Discord's in-app clear cache or delete the cache folder on desktop. On mobile, use the storage settings. Once that's done, switch networks to rule out ISP issues, move from Wi-Fi to cellular, or try a trusted VPN briefly. Make sure no proxy or custom DNS interferes, and verify your firewall or router isn't blocking Discord's ports. This isolates whether the problem is local, ISP, or app-related. Finally, if messages still won't load, reinstall Discord to replace corrupted files, sign back in and check the same servers. You should also test on another device or with a secondary account to see if the issue is account scoped. If you need deeper diagnostics, enable developer mode and gather console logs. This helps identify rate limits, permission errors, or API failures. If nothing changes, contact Discord support with your logs and a clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.